Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel, to my subscribers. And if you are not a subscriber, if you like fitness, fashion, travel, beauty, go ahead and subscribe, because that is the type of content that I do. I know I'm late to the party, but as you see in the subject of this video, I will be doing a Sephora haul. I got this during the sale, and I like watching other people show what they bought, so I'm gonna do the same thing. So let's go. So you guys, I have been real heavy into perfumes and body sprays, and it does not help that that is the type of content I watch on YouTube all the time, which just influenced me to buy more things. But since I have so many fragrances and body sprays and lotions, I am obsessed with the miniature size perfumes. So if you know, Sephora had dope gift sets, so I got a lot of those, but here is one. This is the Dolce & Gabbana one. I already have a full size of this one and a full size of this one, so these two, actually, let me open up and smell it. It's going to be something new to my collection. So I'm gonna say I'm not a floral girl, I'm more of a gourmand. So that's not my favorite, but if I layer it with something, it probably will smell good. Let's smell this one here. Okay, one thing, that kind of smells good, I think. But one thing I will say about the little bottles is, I feel like it's not that fun. It's cute and little and fun to look at, but as far as applying it, since it doesn't like have a sprayer, I wish they still had a little spray thing. But yep, added this to my collection. Next, I got the Versace. So again, here's another smallie. But have you ever smelled something on someone else and then you got it and you don't like the way it smells? Has that ever happened? Because I feel like that is the case with this one. I think I smelled the purple one on someone and it smelled good, but I think I remember smelling this in the store and I was like, no. Baby, if y'all would have seen the way I just had to tussle with this box to get these little perfumes out. It's not love at first sniff. Try this one. So this is the one I smelled on someone and it smelled good on them. Let's see. Okay, that actually smells good. But y'all, maybe it's so little. I kind of smelled straight alcohol in the first one. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, next on to Kayali, and I actually got their other set. I think it was called, oh, my hair. It was actually called Vacation Set. I got during the summer, and I wore that on one of them on my trip to Greece, and it smelled so good. But I love these little sizes of Kayali. I already have this one. This one came in the no, I don't. No, I already have Vanilla Rock Candy, which is not one of my favorite. I actually like the new one, Bougie Young Marshmallow. I feel like that's what I thought the rock candy one's going to smell like. But now I have two of these. It's not my favorite, but I will use it. But this is the Vanilla 28, Vanilla Royale, Sugar Patchouli 64, and the Utopia Vanilla Cocoa 21, and then the rock candy. So I know what this one smells like, but let me smell the Vanilla 28, because some people rave about this, but sometimes Kayali be, I don't know. Okay, I can spray this. Okay. Oh, that's strong. Hold on, wait. Oh, I feel like I got sneezed or something. Okay, I get the hype. I get the hype of Vanilla 28 now. That smells good. Okay. Well, y'all, I don't know what. Ooh. Y'all, I can't. Vanilla 28 taking over. I ain't gonna be able to smell the other ones, but I'm really impressed with this. So people were right about this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the perfumes out the way. Forever Mood, I love this. I have the full bottles of 2 of them already. The I Am Her, and then the yellow one. It smells like iced lemon cupcake. Amazing. But I got the sample size so I can smell the ones that I don't have, which is You Remind Me and NDA. And then just to have little small travel sizes for the ones that I already have and that I like. Oh, that is super cute. So like I said, I already know I Am Her and hard to get. Let me smell You Remind Me. And when it was first released, I just read the notes and went by which one I knew I would like. And I knew I would like I Am Her. And hard to get because it's pretty much like a gourmand, and I like gourmand. Alright, so this is You Remind Me. Oh, does it spray or does it twist? Oh, it's twist. What is this? You Remind Me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not feeling that one. I'm not feeling that one. But stuff smells different when you spray it on, so I'm definitely gonna try all of these and spray it on one day. I do like NDA though. I do like NDA. Alright, so that was all of my perfumes. Oh, but actually I ordered, it was this 4-piece set, small bottles of Tom Ford, and I Am a VIP sale. No, the VIB. Rogue. I'm the highest person. I'm the highest in Sephora. So we had like, I forgot the percentage off, whatever the percentage off was, but it ended up, it used to be $100, and then I think the price for me was $64. Y'all, when I got my box, this was in there and not the Tom Ford. So I ended up calling customer service and was like, hey, I got my package. Everything was in there except for the Tom Ford 4-pack sampler, and y'all end up sending me the Makeup by Mario palette. So they was like, oh, okay, sorry about that. They re-batched it out and resent it to me. So easy. Y'all, why 3 days later I get an email saying it was out of stock. And now I keep looking, it keeps reappearing and then out of stock. Add to basket, out of stock. But now it's $100 and I don't think I want to pay $100 for it, so that sucks. But yeah, so I got this Makeup by Mario for free, and I don't really wear makeup like that, but I will do some eyeshadow. So I think the colors in here, it's not a lot I would use on this, but this is what it is, and the container is very durable. Oh, so I forgot, I got one more fragrance, and this is the K. Ollie Deja Vu White Flower. And I was just trying random stuff because again it was on sale, but I'm not a floral type of person. Oh, is this, y'all, the little sprayer thing is broke. See what I'm saying? Can I take this off and smell it? Dang. Well, I'm gonna have to try to figure that out, but let me know if you have this number 57. Let me know if you like it or not, what it smells like. So I am a Fenty girl. I love Fenty products. All of my face stuff is Fenty. The face cleanser, the face toner, the face scrub, the face mask. I have all the body butters, everything. So we about to go on the Fenty rampage. So I got the travel size total cleanser, fat water, hydro visor, and butter drop set, which I get these a lot because I travel a lot and I like to take this with me on the road. Amazing products. I also got the Simmer and Spice collection. So it's like the lip pudding. Ooh, it's kind of bright. Lip pudding and the it's lip pudding and the butter drop in here, and I love this scent so much that I actually got it twice. I actually haven't tried the butter drop and this scent. But honestly, I had one before and it was like really thick. I didn't really like it, but I wanted to get this set because it was cheap and I want to try the formula again. So maybe the one I had before just didn't rock with me, but I'm definitely going to try it again. And I know I said the formula for that really didn't work, but I ended up getting the pudding again and salted caramel because I just feel like that is going to smell and probably taste good. And this was like a new release, so I ended up getting this as well. And y'all, I am so silly because I am not in love with the Fenty perfume. I'm not. I remember I wore it to my trip to Aruba, and it's actually, I'm gonna say this, when you just smell it, it's just like, it's not something that's like, ooh. I wouldn't say it smells bad, but it's just not something I would pick up. It was a blind buy because it was Fenty and I love Fenty, so I just bought it. But when I wore it in Aruba, and as I was walking around and I was getting whiffs of it, it actually smelled good. So in that luggage that I took to Aruba, every time I open it, it smells just like it. And it's not a bad smell. Like, it's like, ooh, it definitely carries now. You don't want to spray that too many times, but when I open the luggage, it's just not, it's not like, oh shoot. It's not like, but it's not like, ooh, either. It's just like, oh, okay. But I thought this was so cute. And y'all, I feel like I've been punked because I did not know this was this small, but this is the Fenty perfume in a, what is it called? In a solid form. So I thought this would be cute to take on a trip because the perfume that I have is a full size, but yeah, see, it's like, I don't know, hard to say, but this is what it looks like on the inside. As you see, it says Fenty in there, and it says Fenty right here, which is really cute. So maybe I'll take this on one of my other vacations to try it again. But yeah, it's like a 3.5 out of 5, I would say. Alright, another Fenty product, and this was like only at Sephora at the time, so I end up getting this because y'all, I love putting stuff in between my eye to have that little look. This is the color Golden Ruler, and this is like a release with Arcane. I don't even know what that is, but it was like a collection with them. I just like the color, so I got it. Let's see how this looks. Ooh, this is fire. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it got the mirror right there, and that is the color. Let's see how this looks. Y'all probably can't see it, but oh, it's gonna look so cute. I'm gonna use this as eyeshadow and right here, and maybe like right here when I'm getting all glammed up. Okay, so that is all my Fenty products. I'm gonna call myself a germaphobe, but I just like being clean, and I love the Touchland sprays. So I just got the pack of this because I had 2 of them, and I think I'm already out of one of them. So I'm happy that I got this. I already know how it performs. There's different scents on here. Rainwater scented. I don't know if I like that. Blue sandalwood, vanilla blossom, berry bliss, and wild watermelon. So some of these, I don't know. Hopefully they are right, but it's more so for them to do the job of getting the germs off my hands. So I love summer Fridays, y'all. However, I've noticed that after I use them for a while, this part right here, it always gets a leak in it, and then when I go to apply it, it comes out right here. And then if you don't get it from right there and you close it, it's gonna come out all on the end. So that's, I don't know how they can fix that, but now when I have one like that, I just have to squeeze it, get it from there, and then I can't even use this applicator no more because it's already coming out right here. But I got this. This is Hot Cocoa. This was one of the new ones, And I actually already have like 2 of them, but I had to get another one because I absolutely freaking love Summer Fridays, and I actually have it on right now. I have it on, but Juvia's Place is on top of it, but I love hot cocoa. And then I also love Laneige. This is eggnog latte. I already took it out of here. It's in my room, but this is the packaging for it there. And then, oh, I've been wanting to try this so bad, but I want to wait until the sale, and that's exactly what I did. But this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, because I love spraying my face with some mist. I guess it's too bright, I don't know, but I cannot wait to use this. And most of the stuff I have not used because I was waiting to show on camera, but baby, now we on camera. I already have some Elf, I think, is it Elf or MAC? One of them sprayed on me already, but I want to try this right now, baby. Oh wait, it smells good, y'all. It smells good. Oh yeah, I like this. But let's see how it performs. And yeah, now I think the rest of this stuff are freebies, and it's probably not even stuff that I chose because they pretty much ran out of stuff. But these are 2 body butters by Josie Moran here. So I'm gonna try these out. If I like them, maybe I'll be back for the full bottle. Here is the, ooh, I didn't know I had this. This is Sol de Janeiro number 59, and people are always raving about the 59. But what's funny is, no, I don't have it. I bought the pink one. People been talking about this. Well, I don't want to mess up my scent that I got on today, but I'm definitely gonna try this to see if it's up to the hype everybody talking about. But it says a woody vanilla scent, and I love vanilla. Like, vanilla is my thing. So, and then I got a foot mask. No, actually I think I bought this because this is Sephora, and Sephora was like 30% off. And y'all, my feet always need some moisturizing, so I can't wait to use this. And I thought I had one more thing, but I guess that's it. Well, all right, y'all, that was the end of my Sephora haul during the sale. Let me know if you have any of these products. What did you get? And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.